Daily routine English sentence. I wake up. I wake up. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I make the bed. I make the bed. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I drink milk. I drink milk. I put on my clothes. I put on my clothes. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I dry my hands. I dry my hands. I brush my hair. I brush my hair. I take a bath. I take a bath. I shampoo my hair. I shampoo my hair. I dry with a towel. I dry with a towel. I pick my clothes. I pick my clothes. I sit at the table. I sit at the table. I use my spoon. I use my spoon. I eat my lunch. I eat my lunch. I eat fruits and vegetables. I eat fruits and vegetables. I drink water. I drink water. I drink juice. I drink juice. I take a bite. I take a bite. I clean the table. I clean the table.